Hey guys, Krishna here. I quickly want to cover the key objective of this video. The first objective is how to get you started on Azure Training. The second objective is what are the free resources. When I say free resource, they should be of good quality and curated from Microsoft. So let's get started. Tools and resources available within Microsoft for me to get the best quality training. So today's section, I'm going to just focus on those aspects of how do you get trained on Azure and getting a quality resource. So the key point here is the quality resource, because if you go and search online, there are tons of resources which might not be really good, or it might not meet your objectives. So what Microsoft has done and invested is build up a catalog of good quality curated training as well as labs. So let's get started on it. So first and foremost is if you go to this particular URL, you can navigate to this particular page. In this page, what you're seeing is there are a couple of free courses, online courses from Pluralsight. Feel free to get started on. It'll get you simple things like, how do you get started on infrastructure as a service, virtual machines, monitoring. I've done quite a bit of them. The quality is substantially extremely good. So that's the free online resources from Pluralsight. The second one I want to take you guys is, let's say for example, you are a solution architect, or you are working in AWS, or you are a .NET developer, or you are AI developer, or basically you're Azure admin. So this is where the guided learning path based on the role comes into play. For example, if I go into the Azure administrator training section here, so you're going to see categories like if you're a beginner, what you should be doing, what training you have to be doing. If you're intermediary level, what you should be doing. If you are advanced level, what you're looking at doing. So the training is done such a way that there are two pieces in the training. One is a self-paced course where you basically start doing the course on your own schedule and time. And the second one is hands-on lab. So I really want to stress out here, hands-on lab are fundamentally important to get your hands dirty and start understanding the concept that you learned in the self-paced course. So as you can see on here, there are multiple learning paths depending on what your role and profile. You can start looking at that. So let's go back to the previous screen here. And hands-on lab is where, if you look at the number of labs we have I don't know, hundreds of them. So for example, let's say if you want to know how to navigate into the Azure portal, if you click on it, it's going to come up with a list of labs that are pertaining to that particular topic of question. The same way, for example, you can filter it by your job roles, or you can filter it by the topic of interest, or you can filter by the level that you're coming in. You might be a beginner and you want to get started on. So you might, if you click on beginner, for example, if you're looking at beginner type of self-paced learning, you're going to see very basics of Azure. For example, Azure networking concept is fundamentally important. So you're going to see those things here. So basically, what Microsoft has done is we built lots of training courses. What Microsoft has done is take the frequently requested questions and what type of training customers are looking into it, and they build the entire self-paced learning for it. So and the best thing is you don't pay anything for it. Pretty much it's a free, but it's a very good quality curated content. So let's go back where we started. So in summary, if you're looking to get your skills up and running on Azure, you need to be making this particular page as your de facto page, and you got to start looking at it. On top of that, we also have certification exams, and it gives you more information on how to get you certified. So that's for another day. Thank you. Hey guys, thank you for watching till the end. I quickly want to go over the topics we covered in this video. The first one is your primary location for Azure Training is azure.microsoft.com/en-us/training. So make sure you make it as your default homepage so that you can always get the latest and updated information on trainings. The second one is the hands-on lab provides you with a purpose-built lab to get you started on Azure journey. The labs are categorized by beginner, intermediate, and advanced, so you can choose which is better for you and go from there. And on the last bit is we looked into there are specific courses based on your job role. So I think these are the 4 key topics we covered. If you have any questions, do post me on Quora. Thank you for watching.